Ratios and rates. A ratio is a comparison of two quantities using division. They can be written as 2/5, 2/5, or 2:5. All three ways are read as 2/5. A rate is a ratio of two quantities with different units. 40 feet to 2 hours. Or it can be read as 40 feet per 2 hours. A rate with the denominator of 1 is called a unit rate. 20 feet per 1 hour. Finding ratios and rates. Write the ratio as a fraction in simplest form. Dogs over cats equals 12/16, which both 12 and 16 can be divided by 4, and that gives you 3/4. 3/4 is the simplest form, so the ratio of dogs to cats is 3:4. Find the unit rate of 256 miles per 8 gallons. That means we are going to divide 256 by 8 to get 32 miles per gallon. Practice. Write the ratio as a fraction in simplest form. 36 even to 16 odd. Both 36 and 16 are divisible by 4. 36 divided by 4 gives you 9. 16 divided by 4 gives you 4 for the new ratio of 9:4. 40 girls to 56 boys. Both 40 and 56 are divisible by 8. This would give you 5 girls to 7 boys. Find the unit rate, 39 miles in 3 hours. We're going to divide by 3 to get 1 hour. 39 divided by 3 is 13 miles per hour. Word problem. A painter can paint 360 square feet in 1.5 hours. What is the painting rate in square feet per hour? We need to divide 360 by the 1 5/10, which would give us 240 square feet per hour.